fucking. Hold on. Shit. These cookies is busting, nigga. Listen, I saw AMP got a new car, truck, whatever. Hopefully, they all can make it out on the shoot on time. All that good shit. Check this out real quick. Yo, dollar store cookies, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Say God did. What you say? God did. God did. You know what's going on. God did. God did.
Life is beautiful.
God did. God did.
I been to Atlanta one time and they ain't do shit. So man, BJ Groovy, that was what I did, but
We got agent in the cut.
was that an inmate in the back?
Hold on. That's how it opens, though. I can't show the plate, though. Hold on. God did. I just had a Wendy's.
How many rolls that shit had? Hold on.
With fries, bro. Say God did.
What the fuck?
Chicken ice. Hold on.
Is that 3 rolls? I'm trying to see. That's 3 rolls, right?
I just had a Wendy's chicken Asiago with fries.
Kai gonna be sitting in the back.
Like it was my cheat day. You know what I'm saying? No more cheat weeks for me. Just a cheat day. Keep the front.
This nigga gonna be big forever.
Keep the front just copped out.
I hate when agents walk around here with no socks. Like that shit okay annoying.
What happened?
Fuck it, alright.
To get you'll take you to prom in this.
If you've been sub to MP for more than 2 years, what happens?
You get taken to prom with this.
Taking a prom in this mother.
Fan contest coming soon,
bro.
What if they're 15 or 21?
We got him.
What the fuck?
Oh, the reason why all these niggas is outside because there's no internet right now. Look,
That's not true. Kai actually said, yo.
you never see all these niggas outside, bro. It's because there's no internet.
That's not true. Kai literally told us to come outside.
All these niggas outside beside Duke. Nigga Duke is never at the crib. Agent Cardo is fire. That blue shit is so tough.
God damn. Yeah, this shit got Wi-Fi. What? Yeah, this the year.
2023 Caddy.
Got a camera right
That's
there.
fire though.
So what year?
To 36.
Wait, 36.
Excuse me.
Nah, till 2036.
Wait, so 36. How old? Wait, if I'm gonna be 40, how old are you, Adrian?
42.
I think you said 50.
How old are you gonna be?
44?
Damn! Español, B. Estamos hoy con Kai. Kai, ¿cómo te llamas?
Nah, that's really how it be, bro. Niggas don't know no Spanish. El Taco, El Burrito.
It's kind of worth it. And I'm working on me.
Nah, niggas is funny, bro. Nigga in school, I said, yo, say tree in Spanish. Nigga said El Trio. What the fuck, nigga? Shut the fuck up.
Oh my, come on, bro. That's one thing. I never cared about no trees and stuff like that, but bro, I'm about to give it to God, bro. You showed out right there.
His car has internet, dog. Hey, you trying to watch the Chelsea highlights?
Car with internet is crazy. So do you gotta pay for the internet or what?
The A&P Mobile.
Why does Kyle wear that? Yo, no one in history wears Crocs with the strap on, bro.
We got.
No one does that.
Side Patch Kids.
Lighters, just in case.
Just in case, the hooks.
No, we just need condoms now.
If we need smokers, yeah, we need to do it. And we need some like lubricant and shit.
Niggas stay horny, bro.
Bro, just get gum. Y'all niggas insane.
Gum.
Niggas talking about mouth.
No, we need
deodorant.
Lysol wipes. It's on spill in there, bro.
Nah, paper towel. We'll need Lysol wipes.
No, we need deodorant. We need to make it for the Yiddies. Oh.
Every time I fan on live, it's like he out of breath
What
though.
else to add to my car?
Heavy ass nigga.
Like for a girl, like if a girl walk in, like what's something that she need?
Air
I
freshener.
told you, work I told you.
No, we need cups.
No, we don't.
Now we do need cups though.
Yeah, that's just how niggas is, bro. We don't get no carts, we don't get no baskets. We carry that shit all in our hand. We gotta thug it out till we get to the front. Niggas thug it out till they get to the front, bro.
Nah, we do.
No, this
Nah,
is everything you touch, buy, we buy, bro.
Put it one a pack of Bounty. Bounty only though, cause all the other brands ass.
Hold on, this one's cheaper.
No.
Yeah, I think nah. I mean nah, cause there do be some tissue. This shit do be making your ass bleed.
No.
You need roll spray.
I wouldn't do this.
They missing on our head.
Yeah, get a picture or something.
Hello? At home? You should just leave. And
Then I have to use my time.
you leave and come back and clock out. I guess. Oh, no.
They have your skin too. You know that, man.
Huh?
I mean, I want to come home without getting in trouble.
Oh, then I don't know.
Do that because they want your skin stuff.
Oh. Well, guess you're gonna have to stay.
Huh?
So I guess you're gonna have to stay.
Hmm?
Nigga, I say you guess you're gonna have to stay. That's why I do not go in at 6 o'clock. So that's why I do 3 to 6 and I go back at 11. Shit is crazy. I already did. I'll go back at 11.
What time do you get off?
5?
Can I go home?
No. You need to you need to be scanning them fucking boxes.
I am scared of it. See, up in the air, bro. See, like, this is so good.
But while you're working, I'm about to take a nap before I go back to work.
So I can't go home with you?
I'll think about it.
I don't remember that.
Okay. Alright, bye. Huh? Why you in car? I'm about to take a nap. This is my nap time before I go back to work. I got 2 hours. I am about to take a nap. I just got to eat my noodles. This is the perks of having what's it called? Amazon Flex, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. No. No. Okay. Alright, I'm hanging off. Bye. Yeah, now you go get to scan the fucking boxes in the air, nigga. Scan the boxes, the fuck?
I'm trying to grab it.
Scan it!
We good then. Hey, hide. Alright, if you woke Bob, would you know he was there?
Bro.
No. Would you wouldn't even think of
Trying to hang up on me before I hung up on you.
Yep. You think you about to hang up, nigga? I'm hanging up. What the fuck is you talking about? Now get this kid in the boxes. The fuck? Alright, bye. Aha. Fuck out of here, nigga.
You like somebody back there. Yo, chill, bro. No, what you? I didn't even know that. Look at that.
I'm not gonna lie, like.
Oh, this shit got the cooler too.
These niggas didn't even say wow to the free.
That's not big though. That's like for canned drinks for real.
I wasn't really feeling that wild. I wasn't really feeling that wild. You know, I ain't gonna lie, Cadillac. Y'all did y'all motherfucking dang with that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Everybody spam God did, bro. Spam God did, bro, because that's what you gotta say thanks to. That's not like, it's just, bro. Come on, bro.
This nigga shouldn't need to zoom. Neither. What's the? I'm gonna shut the fuck up.
Let me not leak.
Focus. The camera need to focus.
You
Damn.
know what I'm saying? That's. Can't say nothing. Chill. Can't say nothing. Chill.
Can this nigga camera focus?
He said chill. No, what you?
I posted fire too.
Chill. I'm about to flex the flex. Today's flavor.
What is that?
Is grapefruit with mint flavor.
What is that? I had never seen that before. This nigga is so ugly, bro. No, bro. This nigga is so hideous, bro. It's actually a fucking annoying. Like, what the fuck is this? Look at him. Ew, bro.
You got tortilla wraps with corn, black beans,
Yeah, what is you? What bread and corn? What is you making with this?
Okay, so basically,
What are you making with this?
what this does is it makes your semen thicker.
Hey yo,
the
what
fuck?
the fuck? Okay, that's your number one. Yeah, you're number one. Y'all be trying to say it's me, it's this nigga, bro. It's not me next.
This gotta be an old video. Or old, like, when they recorded it, because why they ain't shit in they, shit? This gotta be old.
Memories.
They got a couch now, too. Nah, it's not old because his haircut or his braids. I don't know.
Holland. Look, god damn. Alright, so look, first of all, this is a new channel. It's called More Phantom. I just have an allergy appointment. I'm on a mission to clear this allergy shit, bro. I'm sick and tired of this. This channel, I'm just gonna show y'all.
Nigga, anyone else allergies been fucking up, bro? I'm talking about you, like, oh my god. I don't know if it's, I don't know. I don't think I have allergies. But like, I've been congested crazy, so you can feel it all in your nose and
either the main channel or streamer or the streaming channel. It's just I've seen shit. But I was talking with Kai. He said something that I thought of like years ago, but never knew when to do that. And if motherfuckers decide to start doing shit, you know what I'm saying? You most likely will see it on this type of channel. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm tired of making channels. I got like 5 channels now, right? Or 4. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro. Shout out to More Phantom, bro. More fucking Phantom, bro. It's literally called More Phantom because it's just more vids than me, gang. It's just more. Y'all not tired of me, gang? You not tired of me, gang? I hope you're not tired of me. Listen, subscribe to the channel. We got 0 subscribers on the channel. We coming for first goal is 10,000 subs. We coming for 10,000 subs. That's the first goal. 10,000 subscribers, bro. But yeah, bro, I'm out of here. I love y'all, and you know what I'm saying? Eat good, facts.
eat good. This thing hasn't ate anything good in his life. Whoa. Ah, man. All right, bro.